RAM, random access memory, is analogous to short-term memory. RAM forgets its content as soon as power is off, and the information is stored in short-term memory will get lost after a few days. eBus or expansion bus is a communication pathway on a motherboard that allows various peripheral devices to connect and communicate with the CPU and other components. Its primary function is to enable data transfer between the motherboard and expansion cards, such as graphics cards, sound cards, and network adapters, facilitating enhanced system capabilities and performance. The CMOS or complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery on a motherboard powers the CMOS chip, which stores BIOS settings, with system time, and hardware configuration data even when the computer is turned off. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the primary component of a motherboard that performs most of the processing and calculations required by the computer. It executes instructions from programs, manages data flow, and coordinates the activities of other hardware components, effectively acting as the brain of the computer system. The speaker on a motherboard is a small component used to produce basic system sounds such as beeps or error codes during the boot process. Its function is to provide audio feedback, especially in the event of hardware issues or failures, helping users diagnose problems without a monitor. A ball grid array or BGA port on a motherboard is a type of software mount packaging used for integrated circuits where tiny solder balls are arranged in a grid pattern beneath the chip. Its function is to securely connect components like processors to the motherboard by melting the solder balls, providing better electrical and thermal performance in impact spaces.
A USB Universal Serial Bus port on a motherboard. Is a standard interface used to connect external devices, such as keyboards, mice, and storage drives, to a computer. Its function is to facilitate data transfer and provide power between the computer and connected peripherals, allowing easy plug-and-play connectivity. A microphone on a motherboard is an input device used to capture audio signals for processing by the computer. It functions by converting sound waves into electrical signals, enabling the system to recognize and transmit voice or sound for various applications like communication or voice commands. EMD, electromagnetic interference, in a motherboard refers to the unwanted electromagnetic signals that cannot interfere with the proper functioning of electronic components. The function of EMI shielding on a motherboard is to protect sensitive components from external interference, ensuring stable performance and reducing signal degradation. A resistor on a motherboard is a passive electronic component that limits the flow of electric current within a circuit. Its primary function is to control voltage levels and protect sensitive components by preventing excessive current, ensuring stable operation and preventing damage.
A capacitor on a motherboard is a passive electronic component that stores and releases electrical energy. Its primary function is to smooth out voltage fluctuations, to filter signals, and provide stability to the power supply, ensuring that components receive a consistent and reliable voltage.